Hello, it's Jacob here at Crayford Abbs, and I've got a car next to me which is a nice family SUV. We're going to show you the offers and the spec on an exclusive specification. We've got daytime running lights with auto lights and a 360 camera system which gives you a full view of the car when you're trying to manoeuvre, as well as keyless entrance for easy access and easy entrance. Around the rear half you've got the parking sensors, the cameras to help you to manoeuvre, but when you're not, we've got a very spacious boot space of over 400 litres with a boot floor which raises up and down to use it for what you'd like to. We've got leather styling upholstery finished with some red stitching, plenty of space for 3 grown adults. We've got safety features for the car such as the blind spot detection, rear traffic aids for when you're reversing such as the lane assist, and the rear traffic alert to alert for when cars are behind you. We can get the car in other colours such as the dynamic red next to me, the Hoxton orange, Battersea blue, cosmic silver, pearl black or arctic white. With the leather styling upholstery, in winter time it can get cold, but you can warm up the driver's seat and the passenger seat up front. With all of this spec we've just talked about, you can have it on a PCP for as little as £109 a month on a 0% PCP with at least a minimum of 30% deposit. It is backed with a 7 years warranty or 80,000 miles. It won't just stop there because you do have AA cover with every service you have with us. So if you want to know more, don't hesitate. Get in touch and call me on 01263 588 160. I'll be here to help.